Today we went to Honolulu Zoo and we found an elephant. He's trying to going down. Look, 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 look. He's trying to, he's trying to lay down. Look at it. Whoa, I know. His body's so heavy, but he's trying to lay down and relax and play with water.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Very nice. Isn't it amazing?
Whoa.
Later on, you're gonna see how the elephant is going up. I know the body's so heavy, but he's trying to do his best to, lift up his body to get up. So it's very, very amazing to see it. In Honolulu today, oh my gosh, it was really, really hot. I was sweating walking around at the zoo. Right, Edito?
Yes. Elephant is really big.
Elephant is really big, huh? Look at it. He's playing with water. Isn't it he's relaxing on the floor?
Yeah. Mommy, what white roots will went around? Mommy, what? I want to be elephant with big.
You want to be a big elephant? What? Ooh, look. Elephant is trying to get up. Look. Yoisho. Yoisho. Like that.
Mommy, what elephant's doing like this?
He was laying down, that's why.
I don't know how to lay down.
His body's too big, that's why.
Yeah.
He's having a hard time getting up. Right now he's resting.
Yeah.
Now look at him.
What daddy's big?
Mm-hmm.
Why did they use
Daddy elephant, yeah, he's too big, huh? And now he's trying to get up.
Mommy, that's the small elephant, right?
On the left side, yeah, there's another elephant.
Oh, that's what me.
Yeah, the other elephant didn't lay down, but only him. He was just enjoying the water.
Yes.
Whoa.
Who's that? That's Daddy. He's standing up.
He's standing.
Yay, yay, yay. He loves to stand
Yoisho.
up.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, finally he was able to get up.
He's gonna see he really loves the elephant.
Oh, very good.
Very good. Good job, elephant.